Some big news coming in. BJP is likely to announce free electricity in Delhi up to 300 units. Sources say that the party is planning to announce free electricity in religious places like temples and Gurudwara up to 500 units. And for the national capital collectively, for its people, 300 units free electricity. It's a likely announcement. Free and clean water in the pipeline. Party likely to announce women-centric schemes like Ladli Behna Yojana. Well, the BJP right now on poll strategy is likely to be announcing free electricity like the Aam Aadmi Party has, and likely free water as well like the Aam Aadmi Party has. And it appears that this announcement will come in anytime soon. On Saturday, JP Nadda is going to be releasing the second list, but it's likely that their manifesto will be released earlier. How soon will that happen? We've got to wait and see. But for now, we have inside information that the BJP is likely to give free electricity up to 300 units in Delhi, and says, sources tell us that they're also to give free water, like the Aam Aadmi Party. Piyush Mishra joining us live for more on that. Piyush, the BJP, in a way, following the footsteps of the Aam Aadmi Party, giving out free electricity, free water. This is what is speculated to come out as part of their manifesto. Is that right?
Well, Amira, what we are now learning is that the BJP is likely to hold a crucial meeting tomorrow on manifesto, and most likely by tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow, we can expect the release of manifesto also of Bharatiya Janata Party for Delhi polls. Sources are telling us that BJP is likely to announce free electricity in Delhi up to 300 meters and also up to 500 meters in religious places like temple, Gurudwara and mosques. At the same time, what we are also told is that free and clean water will also be made available to the people of Delhi. This is the promise which BJP is going to make in its manifesto. BJP sources are telling us that we have a difference between what Aam Aadmi Party government doing and what we will do. Aam Aadmi Party government has promised to give free water, but we will not only provide free but clean water. At the same time, they are saying that Aam Aadmi Party government has promised free buses for women in Delhi, but the Delhi government will not only ensure that free buses are there for women, but also more and more fleets are added in Delhi. Okay, you have announced free buses, but you don't have buses in Delhi. But BJP says that we will not only announce the welfare schemes for women, but will also focus on adding and improving transportation system in national capital. Sources are further telling us that the women-centric issues like Behna Ladli Yojana, these schemes are also in pipeline, and most likely these schemes are also will also be announced by Bharatiya Janata Party in its manifesto.
Now, well, this almost appears strikingly similar to that of Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, AAP has managed to come to power the last decade with the promises that they've made to the people of Delhi and implementing it effectively. But of course, at this point, there could be anti-incumbency to that level. After 10 years being in power, the BJP is targeting AAP on multiple levels. But when it comes to freebies, it seems like the BJP also at this point seemingly appearing to do the same. Piyush?
Well, absolutely, Nabila. BJP's sources are telling us that whatever they announce, these are reveries. But what we are focusing, these are social welfare schemes. We work for the welfare of society, not not in announcing reveries. This is what the BJP sources are telling us. So all these announcements are likely to be made in a day or two, because election dates have been announced, and BJP is not only focusing on the promises in manifesto, but also focusing on announcing the names of candidates on remaining 41 seats. So these two things are likely to be announced in a day or two, and for the same purpose, we are seeing day-long crucial meetings taking place. As we are speaking, JP Nadda is also holding meeting with senior party functionaries at BJP headquarters in the national capital. After this, he is likely to hold meeting with various morchas of BJP. So today and tomorrow are going to be important day as far as decision making is concerned. And most likely, day after tomorrow, we can expect the announcement of not only the manifesto but also the list of candidates on remaining seats.
Thanks very much, Piyush. Piyush, for joining us on that. We will, of course, continue tracking this very closely. The BJP also indulging in the same, giving out freebies at this point. They call it social welfare schemes, not freebies, accusing AAP of indulging in freebies. Whatever said, all political parties giving away, in fact, at this point, they're announcing a few schemes that includes free electricity, free water. BJP likely to announce this as part of their manifesto.